I'm here today to talk about a couple of software system engineering courses that team created to get the students to think about what it means to be a responsible engineer. Team has been particularly interested in facilitating learning opportunities that empower engineers to explore the wider societal implications of the technologies they put out into the world. To help explore this idea, Tim looked to see how he could incorporate students learning about the UN SDGs in some of his courses. I was one of the team students. Tim has taught few courses. In one of the course, students learned about researching and building software tools in support of collaboration, learning, knowledge management, and each student independently researched the UN SDGs, picked one of the UN SDGs, and envisioned a software project in support of advancing community knowledge and education knowledge on the specific SDG topic. The classes themselves were inspired by UN SDG 4, which is quality education, and the students' projects were wide-ranging in their inspiration and support of the UN SDGs. Next slide. As you can see, there were over 35 projects that were created over the 2021 academic term. The projects were spanned by many UN SDGs. Many projects included a main SDG with overlapping connection with the another SDG. Students seem to really care about the supporting the UN SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. This was interesting as all students' projects occurred during the COVID-19 lockdowns. However, the key was that the students were able to pick any SDG of their choice and engineer a software system of building community knowledge on the SDG. This gave us a sense of ownership over the projects. The next one. For example, I focused on the UN SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. I created a web platform to enable people to learn about improving their mental health and to overcome anxiety. I integrated the field toolkit better, which consists of a goals and mood tracker, self-esteem motivators, and an ability to learn from others by facilitating community conversations within particular group on the mental health. This site is still alive at varinode.site and it is in progress. The last. In Tim's words, reflecting on the experience, it was clear that students learned a great deal about designing and developing technologies from the lens of the UN SDGs. Overall, it was a very great experience. I too thought it was a fun and good experience as well. Tim would also like to inform the community that he will be presenting his paper on this experience at the upcoming Canadian Engineering Education Association annual conference, which is going to be held in the June. If anyone is interested in checking out the students' projects, then they can go to any one of the links which are mentioned on this slide. I would again like to thank RC Saskatchewan for providing the recognition of our project. Thank you.